I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device is backed up and running the latest iOS. Once done, protect your data. Next, clean the sensor or home button. Dirt and oils cause false negatives. Then you go to Settings, disable Touch ID options, and restart the phone. After reboot, make sure any cases or screen protectors are off, then re-enable Touch ID. This sequence resets software state and removes simple contact issues, so you avoid unnecessary troubleshooting later. You now remove existing fingerprints and start re-registering a fresh one. This is the detailed step that fixes most problems. When adding a fingerprint, place your finger on the sensor, lift slightly, and repeat with varied angles. Capture the pad and edges by doing about 20 to 30 touches. Make sure your finger is dry and at normal temperature, and avoid lotions or gloves that change skin texture. Once saved, test unlocks repeatedly to confirm consistent reads before you finish by testing Touch ID across lock screen, App Store, and Apple Pay to ensure reliable performance. If it works, you're done. If issues persist, try Reset All Settings. This preserves data while clearing customized options that might conflict. Only consider Erase all content and restore from backup as a last resort. If none of this helps, your tip is to check for hardware faults. Moisture, a scratch sensor, or failed connectors require a professional inspection or Apple-authorized repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.